Alright, we got a flood watch.
Eastern Union. When from 2 a.m.
We got a flood watch, guys. We got a flood watch.
Impacts. Excessive
It went
runoff
off.
may result in flooding of rivers,
watch.
creeks, streams, and other
Yeah,
low-lying
got a
and
flood
flood-prone
watch.
locations.
As soon as it came back from school, it just went off.
And rivers are possible. Additional details: 2 to 4 inches of rain, with localized amounts in excess of 5 inches possible.
5 inches
Rainfall
possible.
rates in excess of 1 inch per hour possible. http://www.weather.gov/safety/ flood. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take
Flood
action
watch.
should flash flood warnings be issued.
Flood watch.
Coastal flood statement remains in effect from 6 p.m. this evening through late Friday night.
We got a flood watch, guys.
Up to 1/2 feet inundation above ground level expected in vulnerable areas near the waterfront and shoreline.
Yeah, we got a flood watch.
Where? South